Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity, folks. So if you're interested, click the first link in the description below. Now, my coaches, Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, will help you get to $10,000 a month. They stick with you through your journey. Now let's get back to that review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So I suggest you grab it, and you will reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get an order for a high value gig, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you become the middleman because you can pocket the difference in the process. And bonus number 3, you will learn how to create a passive income. And it's not an ordinary passive income. It is a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's take another look at the product. In a nutshell, AI quiz videos Masterclass is premium training so that you can create engaging quiz videos with the help of artificial intelligence. So you can use simple artificial intelligent tools to create quiz questions and answers. And then once you're done, you can also create fun videos that will engage both children and adults. Now, the creator of this product is Daniele Melandri, and he is an online marketing expert that hails from Italy. He creates videos that go viral, and he has at least 16 products on Warrior Plus, and they always sell like hotcakes. So grab this one, and while it lasts, before the price increases. Now, here are some things you should know about this product. There's no need to show your face on camera or in videos. There's no need for experience. It's a simple process. The viral videos are popular among adults and children, and the AI that is used is very simple to use. And not only that, the market for this is very hot, and there's room for it to grow. Plus, these are evergreen videos, so they can be shown over and over again, and there's no end for them. And you have 100% money-back guarantee within 14 days. Now, the sales video looks like this. The front end is $12.95, and you get 2 extra bonuses with this: quiz video ideas and an in-depth ebook on creating profitable faceless channels on YouTube. You can get OTO 1, which is $17, and that includes a Kids Video Stories Masterclass and a done-for-you Kids Stories Pack. OTO 2 it shows you how to rank on YouTube. So it's a YouTube ranking masterclass for $27. OTO 3 is AI Midjourney prompts generator, which is $37. And OTO 4 is a mega bundle of viral videos for $97 and includes all released viral video packages to date. And that is for a one-time, not a prince, but a one-time price. It's a prince of a deal though. Now, watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but get less of the product. You need to know more? Well, click the second link on the below and get the full story. And before I go, you can check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And I urge you to really check that one out. And my 4 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they show you how to gain a recurring income online easily. And finally, they'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll talk to you next time.